How to make header not faded in Microsoft Word. So if you're working in Word and notice that your header, logo, or document title looks gray and faded whenever you click in your main text, don't worry, your document is not broken. Word deliberately dims headers on screen so you know which layer you're editing. So I'm going to show you step by step why this happens and how to verify your real header brightness and how to fix the actual image fading in this video. So first, let's clear up the single biggest misconception about Word headers. So when you double click your header, the top margin becomes crisp and dark, while your main document text dims out. When you double click back into your main text, the header dims out. You can see, like this, if I'm here, this one lights up. If I exit, now I have everything as usual. So this is a on-screen editing feature built into Word to visually separate your document layers so you don't edit headers by mistake. To prove your header isn't actually faded, press Ctrl-P on your keyboard like this to open Print Preview. As you can see, in the final print output, your header displays in 100% full opacity and color. Now, if your header image or logo still looks washed out inside Print Preview, an actual image formatting effect might be applied. Double-click the top margin area to enter header editing mode, as so. Click directly on your picture or logo to select it. Then go up to the top menu ribbon, select Picture Format tab, okay, and then click Color right here. Make sure Washout is not selected. Then click Transparency in the picture ribbon and make sure it's set to 0%. Right here, make sure that it's at 0. If you need to view or present your document on screen without that dimming effect, you can switch viewing modes or export the file. So in the top, go to the View tab right here and select Read Mode. Alternatively, you can just press F12 on your keyboard to bring up the Save As window. In the Save As, let me just click on that. All right, and in the Save As, select PDF and click Save. So in my case, PDF and save. There you go. And when you open the PDF, the on-screen dimming completely vanishes and your header shows at full brightness. Let me show you here. There you go, guys. And that is it, guys. Enjoy as always.